Good morning, bitches. What the fuck is up? I'm kind of starting off today in a pissy mood, low-key, because I just was trying to find an SD card and I accidentally deleted 2 things of footage from my surprise video for my boo thing, and then I also deleted an entire Get Ready With Me that I actually talked about some good shit in, and I was really excited to post it, and I deleted it. So fuck me. Today I decided that I'm gonna just vlog because it's Julia and my boo's birthday, but honestly I really don't know if I'm gonna be seeing either one of them today. I really hope I get to see my boo. Julia's already doing stuff with hers, so I already know we're not gonna see each other today. But him, I told him I would be happy to see him, but I don't want to, like, you know, like, I don't want to push it on him that I want to see him. I want him to be like, hey, let's go do something for my birthday today, because, you know, we already did celebrate, like, I surprised him with like a whole big thing, so like we did already kind of have our moment, but like, I don't know, I think I want to spend the actual day with him too. I hate when I have my glasses on because literally the reflection's so bad, but it's currently 11:23 in the afternoon and I'm going to try to make breakfast or something. Usually I don't really eat breakfast, but you guys know I've been working out. I've been pretty consistent. The only week I haven't really been consistent is like this last week. I can't do this. I'm gonna put my contacts in. Alright, so now back to what I was saying, which I don't even remember. Actually, I do remember. So I've been working out. I've been pretty consistent. The only week that I haven't really been consistent was this past week, and it was because I did 2 different birthday celebrations. In those 2 days, like, I was literally just like, there was so much going on, and I just didn't have really time to sit down and like rest or, you know, have a moment to go to the gym. So I did miss 2 days last week, but the other 3 days I did go to the gym. However, today we're gonna get back on it, go every single day this week like I'm supposed to. I'm just using this butter. That's the butter that we use. I know butter's not the best for you, but like I need butter when I make eggs, okay? Ooh, like an egg sandwich would be pretty fire. That would be pretty fire. I don't know, y'all, but I'm definitely making eggs, and I'm gonna just try to start making myself eat breakfast and stuff, because, or at least just three good meals a day, because yeah, like when you're working out, a lot of it is nutrition, whether people like want to believe it or not. If you're not fueling your body and you're lifting heavy and stuff like that, like your body doesn't have fuel to convert into muscle, if that makes sense. So like you can work out and squat super heavy and do all this work, but like if you're not feeding your body the proper fuel, then like you're kind of doing it for nothing. And what the fuck? I don't know if that's normal. My egg was frozen. This egg is not good. I'm gonna need to make another one. Let me show you guys what the fuck I'm doing, because I can't cook. Period, okay? Okay, we're getting there. This is gonna be a whole long ass segment of me just trying to cook eggs. And honestly, I'll probably cut out a lot of it because I'm so embarrassed that this is hard for me, because usually I can cook eggs like easily, but I don't know why these are just giving me trouble today. They really are. It's like, how do people flip it so effortlessly? Like, look, mine just freaking like spews over when I flip it. I just want to know more because my eggs don't even like look good enough to do an egg sandwich. So yeah, we're not doing that. I might add some tuna or something like that, but we're just gonna put some salt and pepper on this baby. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. Oh my god, that's so much salt. And then I'm gonna put some pepper. I like a lot of salt though, so not really tripping. Ooh, y'all, these eggs are perfect. Oh my god, they're just the perfect amount of like runny. I want to eat some tuna as well. My mom made me this fresh batch of tuna fish. She makes me them like every week because I stay home and like I need stuff to eat, so she made me like a thing that I could just like get stuff out of. I'm just gonna put some tuna on my plate. I personally eat tuna just like by itself or with like bread, but I can eat it by itself too. Alright guys, so this is my not so like nice looking meal, but it's gonna taste good as fuck, so I'm gonna eat this, drink some water, and then I think I'm gonna go to the gym after I eat this because I want to go to the gym before he wakes up. This might be a long ass vlog. I noticed that my vlogs are getting really long, and that's just because like I stopped editing so much of it out. So yeah, it's just gonna be a long vlog, but it's okay. I need a video for Friday anyways. I just finished eating and then like washing my face, brushing my teeth, all of that stuff. It's 12:03 and Julie is actually at the gym, or she's like going to the gym right now. So we are gonna get to see her for her birthday. I'm just putting on a workout clothes. I'm just gonna wear some black Nike Pros. Last night I literally slept naked because, you know, sometimes it's good for you to air the girl out. So that's what I did last night. I just kind of slept naked. And it was great. All right, so this is a sports bra that I'm wearing. It's from Marshall's, covering my nipples because they're super hard right now. Really need to clear out my closet, but I'm gonna wear this shirt. This New Orleans shirt. And then I'm gonna just wear some pink socks because the Nike socks are like so hard to put on sometimes. So hopefully these will be a little bit easier. Also, it's just because these freaking nails, like they're just so long. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Oh my god, I just ripped off my nail. Oh my god, I just ripped off my nail. Holy fuck, y'all. Do y'all see that? It's bleeding. Oh my god, I just... Oh. Oh. Oh no. No. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. No! Oh my god! What the fuck? What am I supposed to do now? My finger's on fire. My finger's on fucking fire. Holy shit. Oh my god. It's starting to burn so bad. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm not taking my pre-workout just because like that was just like a whole event for me. Like that was a lot. My finger's like throbbing. Basically what I did is I just kind of like rinsed off the blood with water, and then I put 2 band-aids on it, and yeah, I can feel all the heartbeat in my finger right now. So yeah, I am over that. So I'm gonna just still go to the gym, gotta push through. Okay, well we're crippled, but we're still gonna go work out. So I'll see you guys whenever I get to the gym. Birthday time. Alright guys, so it's now 1:50 in the afternoon, and I just got, well not just got, I came home like a little bit ago, but I've just been sitting on my phone. So I'm home now from the gym. I'm about to take a shower because something's not right with the lady, and so I took some medicine, and yeah, we're just gonna see if it works. When I'm gonna take a shower, cleanse myself, you know, air the bitch out. But I need to go to the post office because I have a package that I need to get from the front, so I need to do that today. And then other than that, honestly, I really don't have much to do. I could probably edit this video. I don't have another video to edit now at this point, so I don't really have anything to edit. But I forgot about the prom video. I know I was supposed to do like a prom. Y'all sent me all y'all's prom pictures, and I literally just freaking forgot about it. Like, I'm so sorry, I forgot about that entire video. But I do want to go ahead and shout out to people who sent me PO mail the other day. I already went ahead and opened it, but I still want to like show you guys. So the first package was from a girl named Rebecca, and she has a stamped jewelry company, and she sent me 2 jewelry pieces, and I literally am like, these are gonna become like some of my everyday jewelry pieces because they're so cute. But the first one is this little necklace. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it just has an S and a heart on it, and then a little diamond, and this is a necklace. And then she also stamped me this ring, and it just has an S and a heart. Literally so cute. I've been wearing this ring on my thumb, and then I've been wearing the necklace. This is from Stamped by Becca. I'll put her at on the screen, but she has the cutest little jewelry. Like, I'm so freaking excited to wear these like all the time. The ring is definitely like probably like my favorite thing. Like, I love the necklace too, but this ring is just like precious. I love it. So thank you so much to Becca for sending me that. And then I also got a letter from, so her name is Dessa, like Odessa, Texas. She basically has a sticker company called Southern Texas Made, and they're located in Corpus Christi, Texas. So if you're in Corpus Christi or you're in that area, she has all these super cute stickers. So here's just like some of the ones that she sent me. Yeah, super cute. Just a bunch of different kinds. She makes these herself. Ooh, you rock my Crocs off. That's so cute. I'll put up her Instagram right here so you guys can go find her and like her brand and stuff and shop from her. But yeah, I got these 2 little packages, PO mail things, the other day, and I hadn't had a chance to put them on camera because I hadn't like filmed. But I'm filming today, so I decided to just go ahead and show you guys this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because, like I said, I just really want to cleanse myself. And you know, I just worked out, so I stink and stuff. My finger's still moving okay. She stopped throbbing, but she's still super sore. So I don't know how this is gonna work when I shower. I'm not washing my hair or anything. I'm just gonna wash my body and stuff. So yeah, wish me freaking luck because my poor finger hurts so bad. I pulled too much hair down whenever I put my hair in a bun, but it's now 2:21. I'm leaving for the post office. I have my little thing. I just have to go take this up to the front, and then they will give me whatever package I'm expecting. I'm also trying to set up a collab with this cute company that I found on TikTok. They have like a hoodie and a sweat like short set, and just like it literally, like the quality just looks amazing. Everything about it just looks so good. So I DM'd the girl and I was like, or whoever it is, and I was just like, hey, like I would love to collab with you. So I'm trying to set that up right now. They're launching their stuff in like July, like on the 17th, I think. So hopefully I'll be able to work with them before that, but I'm gonna go to the post office right now. I just walked out of the post office. Some lady was in there screaming, and I wish I brought my camera in so I could like film it for you guys. She was really doing too much in my opinion, but it's fine. It was Peachy Perfect Crafts. I'm pretty sure I've gotten a package from them before. I keep hitting my finger so it's throbbing again, but we're gonna go ahead and open this. Try to not hurt my finger because my finger hurts super bad. Okay, Peachy Perfect Crafts. She sent me a little card as well, so I'm gonna open up that first. She said, I wanted to send you one of my summer boxes from my business, Peachy Perfect Crafts. I hope you love the goodies and enjoy your hot girl summer. XOXO Mia. Thank you, Mia. First thing, oh, this is super cute. Okay, so first thing is like this little keychain chapstick holder thing. Ooh, this is adorable. It says be happy. It's a little bracelet. Ooh, these are adorable. These are like some butterfly earrings. Some matching earrings to go with the little bracelet. This would be so cute for like the beach. And then the sparkling cranberry hand sanitizer. So cute. And then there's also like a little cactus candle. Look how adorable. That's so cute. Well, that was what was in my P.O. box. That's so cute. Thank you so much to Mia at Peachy Perfect Crafts for sending me this. I really appreciate it. You guys know my P.O. box is in the description box all the time under any one of my videos. So if you ever want to send me something from your small business, or if you just want to write me a card, whatever the case may be, you can most definitely do that. Yeah, my finger hurts so bad. I kind of want to go home and like redo the band-aid. Alright guys, so it's like 4 something now. I'm about to get ready because he wants to go out to eat, and then also we're gonna go to the casino with his dad. So I have to get ready for that. We're gonna go to this place called Turkey Dam in Dallas, and Dwayne said it's like really good, so I'm excited to go. I'm gonna honestly do like light makeup just because honestly I really just like don't feel like doing a whole bunch to my face. I have like my makeup bag. I ran out of my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, so I've just been having to use a brow pomade, and I just take this like little spoolie thing, brush up, and then I take my thing. This is just the Milani one in the shade Taupe. I think I'm gonna do like a slick back bun or something just because it's like raining straightening and stuff. I don't want to like waste my time like straightening it or anything like that just for it to like rain or, you know, fuck up. And also I've just been putting like a lot of heat on it anyways. I'm not gonna put on any foundation. I'm literally just gonna do some concealer under my eyes because I feel like my skin honestly looks pretty good. Like I really don't have anything to cover up, so there's really no reason for me to do foundation. So I'm just gonna put some concealer and blend this out. Okay, yesterday I kind of got a little bit upset, and like I wasn't like pissed off or anything or like super mad. Okay, so basically I love talking about things like as if you guys are like literally my best friends. Like, also I apologize if I say like so many freaking times. I'm so sorry. It's just my filler word. I can't help it. I say it a lot. So sorry. Basically what I was saying is like I want to be able to talk to you guys and just like tell y'all that I have a sneaky link and like tell y'all the information that I want to tell y'all without y'all digging for more, and just, you know, kind of like respecting what I share, because at the end of the day I don't have to share anything about it, but I really like want to, and I want to have the freedom to share things, but like y'all also still respect if I don't want to share more than what I've shared. And like the other day I was talking about like my sneaky link and stuff on my TikTok. I made it very clear that I didn't really want to address who it was or say who it was or, you know, any of that. And like I tried to make it very clear that, you know, like I wanted to wait until it was official. Like I wanted to wait and just until it was official, and then I would talk more about it and open up more about it. I felt like I couldn't even share the little information that I did because people were already like, oh, I know who it is, and commenting his name in the comments after I had already said that I didn't want like it out there about like who it was and stuff because I wanted to keep it to myself. And it's just like people didn't really like respect my wishes, and it kind of just like made me realize like why I didn't want to share him in the first place so like early. I understand that I'm like an influencer and like I share my life, so obviously people are gonna have questions, but if I blatantly say, hey, like I don't want to talk about it any more than what I've said, or like can y'all just like respect me and stop asking about it, or like stop digging for more information or trying to get more information out of other people, and like people just don't respect that. And I feel like I should be able to say, hey, I don't really want to talk about this any further than what I've already said about it, you know, and like people should just be able to respect that. But sometimes people don't, and like I made a video about it talking about how I felt, and a lot of people like understood where I was coming from. So I'm happy that I finally said something because it was kind of frustrating me, and I want to be able to talk about things without having to like filter out my comments because I'm worried about people saying things. Like literally people were commenting his name and commenting his Instagram name, and I just think that's beyond ridiculous. Like if I blatantly said, hey, I don't want to talk about this any more than what I'm speaking on it, people should just like respect that. But people just, you give them an inch and they literally take a mile, and it's kind of just like really sad. And that's why a lot of influencers don't share their personal lives, is because people don't know how to respect and just take the information that they're given, you know. Like y'all don't necessarily deserve to know every single thing about my life. Like just because I put my life on the internet doesn't mean you have a free passage to learn everything about my life. I'm not like y'all's toy, you know. I'm still a person. I share what I want, and y'all just have to be okay with what I share. And if you're not, then just simply don't watch. But that's just genuinely how it is. Like y'all should be okay with only knowing the information that I give out, and if you're not, then just like don't watch, because it's just really disrespectful to try to force people to speak on things they don't want to speak on, or give you information that they don't want to give you, you know. Like I tried to give as much as I felt comfortable giving, and then people just tried to like force more information out, and it was just like really frustrating. But yeah, that's my little rant about that. I don't know if y'all are gonna feel differently than my TikTok people, but it seemed like a lot of people understood where I was coming from for my TikTok, so hopefully you guys will understand where I'm coming from as well. This is what I decided to put on. The shirt is from Princess Polly. The jeans are, I have literally no idea. My nephew's right here, so sorry about that. And then shoes are 5 and below. Honestly, jewelry, I don't really know. These I got gifted by a subscriber. These rings I got gifted by a subscriber. This middle one's from Amazon. This one was gifted by a subscriber, James Avery, and then I found on the floor. And then this one's a Pandora. My earrings are from Marshall's. So yeah, I know, not very good at where everything's from, but this is what I'm wearing. And then I have this little jacket thing, plaid flannel thing that I could put over it. But yeah, I'm gonna head out the house now.
Oh, that's a mini. I need a blue one. Pick one. Oh, that's mega. That's 100. I pick another one.
A major, babe.
What's that one?
I don't know.
Major. Brand is $16,000. Pick it.
That one or that one? Which
Pick
one?
it. Dorian.